If your key fob to your Town and Country minivan stopped working, try these two things before you spend around $350 getting a new one from the dealership. There are two common problems. One is because the battery is dying, and the other is because the buttons in your key fob are not making good contact with the circuit board. I've already made a video on how to replace the battery, and the link to that video is in the description box below. If your battery is still good, then you may need to clean the circuit board to try to fix your key fob. First, you need to take the key out by sliding this button to the side. Then take a mini screwdriver and stick it into the small hole at the top of the key fob and push the screwdriver side to side to pry apart the key fob. Now take out the circuit board. You can see that the round contact surfaces for the control buttons are quite dirty. Take a Q-tip dipped into some rubbing alcohol that you can get from the dollar store and just clean the round contacts. You can see that the contact surfaces on this circuit board are quite dirty. I'm also cleaning the buttons as well. Then wipe off any excess water and alcohol with a dry Q-tip. Now I'm putting the circuit board back. And then just snap them back together. That's it. Lastly, if you need to get a new fob after all, I would recommend that you go to an independent car locksmith who can program the key fob for you. That should save you at least $100.